How to fix your iPhone's not charging when it's plugged in. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways to fix the issue where your iPhone's not charging. Now the first thing we're going to try doing is using a different charging outlet. So if you're trying to charge your iPhone from a wall socket, then try using a different power outlet instead. So for example, you could try plugging the cable into your laptop, you could then plug the other end into your iPhone, and you can check to see if that's now charging. If it's not working, you can also try rotating the wire. So if it's currently plugged in this way, you can just go and disconnect it and turn it a 180-degree angle. You can also do the same thing for the other end of the cable as well. So you could go and disconnect this from your laptop, try turning it around the other way, and you can check to see if it's now charging. If it's still not working, the next thing we need to do is check for any dust or debris in the charging port. So sometimes what can happen is you can get dust that kind of accumulates in this charging port, and this will prevent your iPhone from charging. So all you'll need is a small object that you can use to gently clean out the bottom of this port. Once you've tried removing the dust and debris, you can then plug in your charger and check to see if it solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to power cycle your device. Now to do this, you need to perform the following key combination. You need to press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold down the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. So I'll do this with you now so you can see exactly what this looks like. So we're going to tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold down this lock screen button, and you need to keep holding this down for around about 30 seconds. Eventually the screen should go completely black, and then keep holding it down until the Apple logo appears. As soon as you see the Apple logo, you can then go and release this button, and you can check to see if your iPhone's now charging. Now if it's still not working, there's likely an issue with the actual cable itself, so you'll just need to go and purchase a new charging cable, and once you've done that, you should then be able to charge your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.